ni ati thukuru wa ciana cikoragwo na wathe wa kana na mawathe ngurani wa kwanjora gicigoini kia umbunge kia ndaragwa na uria muno ukoragwo na ciana iria cikaraga na mawathe ma Meciria ni wamukirite uteithio kuma kuri kambuni ya wendia na kana ya uthondeki na wendia wa rangi ya Crown. Thukuru ucio wa thirikari ukoretwo utiganirio na njira nene na riu ukoretwo ukirigerera uteithio kuma kuri andu a wendi mwega na kuri riu maikitie rite na kuri andu a wendi mwega rundu mwe na kambuni ingi itiganite ikorwo ikinyitanira hari guteithiriria na gutigirira ati ciana icio ni ciakorwo cigeikara miturire iria yagirire.
Haya, na tukikata watu wapige makofi. Ndio hiyo.
Njitagwo Margaret Wairimu wa Gikaria na guku kwanjora special na kuanga kwa BOM member na nigukoragwo na ma challenges maingi muno ni tondu ona kuri hindi gukinyaga itura riri rigakorwo na ngaragu muno na ria gwakorwo na ngaragu muno head teacher arutaga irio gwake nyumba na arikia kuruta gwake nyumba ni atwitaga ithuĩ turi BOM mundu agoka na kiria kuona.
Ni njitagwo Esther Wambui wa Bugua na nini ni mwalimu munene wa Kwanjora Special School na Kwanjora Special School ni cukuru ya ciana ciina disability kana mawathe na kuga na Gikuyu na disability iria tumijaga nayo ni disability itagwo cerebral palsy iria kuga ati ciana ni ciageire na ni ikoretwo ina damage thiini wa brain na ciana icio ni ikoragwo ci challenge muno thiini wa miturire yao intellectual ciana icio itihotaga guthoma wega mabataro maria twina mo right now tutino twende irio cia kuigana gukiheaga ciana icio mwaka mugima thina uria ungi tukiri naguo muno makiria ni thitima ta uria twi ni koretwo igithie iguru muno na ni tureciria korwo ni tuone andu magutu assist no tuthie the solar way na nigetha tuhote ku reduce thitima tondu ni maita maingi muno tukoretwo tukihorerio thitima ni Kenya Power turemetwo ni kuriha.
My name is Nicholas Wanambisi. I am the Group Human Resource Manager of Crown Paints Kenya, based in Nairobi, and I'm here at Kwanjora Special School. It is a very important occasion for us as the Crown Paints team because this is a special school. A special school means they have special needs and they need support from the community and society. Now, Crown Paints is so passionate about corporate social responsibility, and we have been associated with so many projects across the country, and therefore it is a privilege, and we are proud to be associated with the Kwanjora Special School.
Slowly.